So we're going to try to play wealthy in. I never played this game too much, but I will try it, but I'm going to change this game, guys, quickly. Let's see how much we can make with just few spins. It's so fast, guys. Now it's very fast. It's killing me fast, guys. This was the fastest. Yes. How much was it? I think it's gonna be 7. Okay, it's fine. I gained something. We started with 50. I remember. That was what we want. Again, big win, 45. Guys, I'm scared of this game. I'm going to leave now. Thank you guys for watching. It was a nice, quick, very fast to make that profit. Thank you guys.